Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, as the title suggests, I'm going to share my first time experience using the TRU hair oil and other products as well. So you will be exclusively getting my honest thoughts on these products. So if you are interested, please keep on watching. I have improved my audio quality by adding a mic to my YouTube videos. So please let me know in the comment section if the quality of the audio is better than before. Without any further delay, let's straight away get into the video. So as usual guys, I'm going to start with the brand and the motto of the brand. So generally in all my review videos, I give a little introduction about the brand, and it's very important according to me to know about the brand first before you actually buy and use their products. TRU Hair was established in the year 2020 and it's completely Ayurvedic product, and also their motto or the tagline is the power of Ayurveda for the modern you. So yeah, basically it's Ayurveda for the current generation. We might have a lot of hair problems like dandruff, hair fall, premature graying, and lot of other issues. So the major thing in my personal experience, I found Ayurveda works the best. So first let's talk about the hair oil and its packaging. This is how the outer packaging looks like. It is a black cardboard box, and it has all the stuff in it. And first of all, I highly appreciate the packaging here because it has listed all the ingredients used in the hair oil over here. So me personally, I always try to find ingredient list in whatever product I use, and I try to understand what each ingredient mean and what each ingredient is used for. So here, as you guys can see, they have given exact amount of ingredient used for each 10 ml, which is highly appreciated. And also behind the packaging, you will be getting the detailed instructions and directions on how to use this product. So from inside this box, you're going to get a heater, which is the main attraction of this product. So this is the heater. You have a plug over here, and you have a place to pour your oil and a cap to let it sit and heat. So this particular heater you can use in any normal plugs at your home, and you don't have to have the tension of switching it off when it is hot or something, because it automatically cuts off once the oil is heated to a certain extent. So you don't have to worry about that. So once the oil is heated, I would suggest you guys to wait for at least a minute before you start using the oil. We have the hair oil itself. So this is how the hair oil looks like. Another good thing is even the bottle, even though you lose the cardboard box, even the bottle has enough usage instructions and also the ingredient list. And this also has the expiry and manufacture date, which is a great thing. So yeah, this is the hair oil. But don't worry guys, you're going to get a conditioner and a shampoo for trial inside this packaging itself. If you're a first time user, you just want to try each and every product first, like a mini one, and then go and invest in a full kit. So yeah, it has a tiny onion shampoo over here, small overnight hair mask over here. These are the contents that come in this huge box, and let me say you guys, this is very affordable according to what you get, because it's just retail for rupees 385, and you're going to get all the 4 products together including the heater, which is a great thing. Let me be honest with you guys, I have went through their website in detail, and I have done my little bit of research on this product, and I found that the ingredients are really Ayurvedic, and you don't have any other unwanted stuff inside this hair oil. And once you open the hair oil, you can realize it is completely Ayurvedic, and it has no artificial fragrance or no silicone, no nothing, no unwanted stuff. Smell is incredible. It takes me to my hometown. of course I'm a Malayali, so it takes me to my hometown. So I will be attaching the clips of me using this hair oil and how to actually massage your scalp. Personally had a very good experience when it comes to hot oil massages, because what it does, it will help the oil to penetrate deeper into your roots, your scalp, and works as magic. And also this way you will be able to get the maximum benefits from your Ayurvedic hair oils. Like your hair shaft can actually absorb the oil, and the oil can work on the concerned part or concerns you have related to your hair. So that's an incredible thing to have a hot oil massage. Once you have massaged your scalp and hair well with this oil, I would suggest you guys to wait for at least 1 hour. At the least 1 hour, maximum you can wait up to 2 hours and overnight, no problem. So I have taken at least 1.5 hours. I have braided my hair and waited for 1.5 hours to complete my hair wash. I use another product. It's also a fantastic product. You just need a little bit to wash your hair from the hair oil. In case you find your hair is a little more greasy, you can go with the second wash with this shampoo. As you guys can see, this is how my hair looks like after the wash, and it's completely dry. This is the next day I'm filming the complete review. So as you guys can see, this is how my hair looks like. It looks so dark black, right? And also it has its own shine. I haven't added any other serums. So this is how my hair looks like after the hair wash. This is the natural biotin shampoo. Biotin is a major ingredient, is a very important ingredient for your hair. It increases your hair, each hair thickness, and also firms it from breakage. Whenever I buy a shampoo, you guys know from my previous videos, I don't prefer shampoo that has SLS and also silicones in it, parabens in it. So this ticks off all the mark for me. This has 0% parabens, 0% toxic chemicals, 0% silicones, and 0% sulfates, which is a great thing. And again, you have all the ingredients listed in the shampoo itself, including the manufacturer and the expiry date. This particular variant which I have used has almond oil, aloe vera, and vitamin E, which is a great ingredient for your hair. Washing my hair with the shampoo, I always need a conditioner. Hair, as you guys can see, is of a wavy type. Also it can very easily get frizzed up. So yeah, my hair needs conditioner. So what I did, I used the overnight mask. I took a little bit of product, massaged it onto my hair, and I kept it for half an hour, and then I washed my hair. So yeah, this is how my hair looks like. It became soft, it became nourished. So the next item I tried from this brand is this beautiful product. This is the TRU Hair Protein Hair Serum. This hair serum is something I would highly recommend you guys to try, because it doesn't make your hair oily at all. And I have, kid you not, I have tried a lot of other serums. Sometimes, as the days go by, your hair will start getting oily, your scalp will start getting oily, but this particular product is very lightweight. It's like a water infused with great ingredients. This particular product is a hair protein serum, which helps your hair absorb it very easily, because it's not thick, it's water like consistency. To be specific, this particular product is infused with hydrolyzed pea protein, biotin, and amino acids, which is going to work on your hair and hair shaft to strengthen it. This particular serum nourishes, strengthens your hair, promotes hair thickness. So in case if you're finding in certain bald spots on your head, you have to massage this particular serum there. Just try it for at least a month to see some difference for this product, because every hair product will work in a different speed for different person. So it is very important for you guys to try it for a long run, and then check yourself out for the results. So that's the bittersweet truth. You have to focus mostly onto your scalp and then take the remaining onto the hair shafts, because this is so much like a watery consistency. It is very easy for your hair to absorb this infusion. This particular product has caffeine, which is going to wake up your scalp and do its magic. If you start using this and if you find any kind of irritation on your scalp, immediately stop using this product, because again, not every ingredient in each and every product will suit everybody. So in case you're finding a certain kind of irritation on your scalp, you can stop using the particular product. This retails for rupees 450 solely because of the ingredients and infusions in the serum, and it's so damn lightweight, doesn't make your hair oily at all. Especially during the summer time, guys, it's very difficult to apply heavy serums onto your hair, because it's going to make your hair weigh down, and also it's going to make your scalp feel a little oily. We are doing all these steps externally for your hair, but another thing you have to understand is like your hair needs this strength internally as well. So from internally only your hair can grow well. So for that you have a supplement. This is the TRU Hair THT1 Kalpa Health Supplement. This is completely natural. Get 200 grams of this product in this. This health supplement is actually free for the first time users. I'll be giving a link down in my description box. Please don't forget to check that link out and take that quiz. It's a hair quiz which actually helps the doctors to give you solutions and what products to use for your hair concern. So don't miss the chance. You can go ahead, try, use that link and get a free supplement. So this one is the Kalpa supplement. It has 0% parabens, and you again detailedly have the ingredients over here, which is incredible. I really love when brands do this, like the complete composition of what is inside this, and they suggest you to take 1 tablespoon twice after food. So I take 1 tablespoon after my breakfast and then after my dinner. This particular product is 100% natural and it has 0 side effects, but still I would suggest you guys to try it for at least a week and see if you have any issues. In rare cases, some of the people might be allergic to certain things. Always try it for a while, like a week or so, and see if you are having any side effects. If you don't have, you are free to use this. I didn't have any side effects when having this. Finally, don't forget to check out their website. Each and every products have detailed description in them. You will get to know about the products before buying, and also everything is very affordable. Even though you are someone who's going to try Ayurveda for the first time, I would suggest you guys to buy this particular kit and try, because you will get this shampoo and the conditioner and everything in this. You will get to know after using this complete kit whether this product is for you or not. Whatever works for me might not work for you. It is normal. Again, hair care, it will not work, like the same shampoo will not work for everyone. So for my hair type and for my body type, these supplements and the hair care routine did suit well. So yeah, I really loved this particular product, and I would highly recommend you guys to check this out. And also don't forget to check my description box out and try the link and the quiz, and just share me your experience in the comment section. I hope this video has been very useful for you guys. Please hit that like button if it was very useful, and see you on my next video, guys. Until then, take care. Bye.